This is how bright the room is with two 60-watt LED lights. Just bought these. Give them a try. Here's the lights. Standard lights. All seem in working condition. Voila. Nothing's cracked. Let's give it a try. Get up there. Twist it off. There's lights. Let's take them all. Let's take, yeah, maybe I should just take them both off. Put it in now. That's one light. That's another light. Now let's close it up. That's it. Moment of truth. It's much brighter now. And I can dim it. Hopefully it doesn't break. See, both bulbs are working. They're 15 watts each. So 30 watts total. The room's really bright now. It's really bright. Which is nice, because before everything used to be really dim. So, Lincoln lights work so far. Passed the first test. I dot. We'll see how long they last. There's this thing over here. So we'll see. So far so good. The real test is how long they last. They don't flicker or anything, which is good.